This is the best burger I've had in a long time. Hello! I'm in Burnaby today. I'll be getting a lot of food and snacks. I'm here at Something Sweet, and I want to get their newest pineapple bun egg waffle. It looks really good. Hi, can I get the pineapple bun egg waffle, please? Because it's gonna take 25 minutes, I'm gonna grab a drink. This is Slothfuls. You can get bubble tea and ice cream here. This is the dining area. Very pretty. Okay. This is the Iron Goddess milk tea. Isn't this cute? Oh, perfect timing. Yeah, more eggets. Oh, it's exactly like a mini pineapple bun. I'm not sure how to rip it because it's not like the traditional bubble waffle where it's like really crisp and you can just rip off one bubble very nicely. This one's a little messier. It's not as crispy as I expected it to be. I would say it's just okay. Okay, was this worth $14 though? $14 and 25 minutes. Not quite. I got all the snacks and now it's time for dinner with my friends. So the place I'm going to is called Paramount BBQ. And we're gonna have skewers there. Not ready yet. It's a little different. Or you hold that one. Okay, I'll hold that. Oh, should like. Good morning. I'm getting ready to go to tasting later. I'm just doing a bit of skincare. I like to use this refill because it's smaller than the original size. It saves space. And then I like to layer on this SPF 50 2-in-1 primer and moisturizer on top. This feels better than an actual sunscreen. I mean, it is an actual sunscreen, but I just like the consistency. It's waterier and it doesn't leave white marks. And it's a 2-in-1, so technically you don't need to put a moisturizer under. All of my makeup is in this zip-up bag because I'm too lazy to take it out after I travel. And then I'm traveling again next month. So the event I'm going to today is a dessert tasting that's soft opening on West 7th. They have a lot of cute little cakes, so I can't wait to show you guys. We're here. These are the cute little cakes I was talking about. Look at that! I've tried some of these before, but I haven't tried the cactus or the cheese or the pandan. That one is the durian. I haven't tried that either. And I recently had this cake for my birthday. They also specialize in cute character macarons. But I don't think they have that many at this location. At the first location in Richmond, they have way more. These are some very nice croissants that I have. I think maybe I'll get this one instead of the pandan cake. Look at this card. It says you're the perfect level of sweetness. Cheesecake, fromage, and then the pandan paradise. You can see the cactus through that little window. Did you want to eat it inside? Do you want to eat it now?
Very soft. We got all the matcha.
It looks crispy and flaky, but it feels, I don't want to say soggy, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna be crispy. I just had my first bite and it's crispy and it's filled with chocolate. I think it's filled with chocolate and other creams. That's why it's so heavy. Oh, the cream is so good. The white part. Look at how much stuff there is in here, packed with cream. Oh, it opens up this way. Get in here. This one is the cheesecake fromage.
looks so worried. First bite. I've never had such light cheesecake before. And it's a little bit citrusy too.
It's a creme brulee custard. This one's a Nutella.
I got this one.
And they look the same.
There was chocolate and like some kind of white cream inside. So I asked the pastry chef, Christopher, what was inside that Nutella pastry. And he said it's Nutella mixed with custard because previously people complained about the pastry having way too much Nutella. So it checks out why I love it so much. There's so much custard inside. Going to between two buns. Wow. I got the double cheeseburger and onion rings. Oh, I don't know what this is. It's like ketchup mayo, ketchup something. I like this part. Oh. Let's try the burger now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. What the heck? Look at this. I'm gonna take a big bite. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Look at all the sauce. This is the best burger I've had in a long time. I paid $27 for this. Another morning and I'm getting ready to go to downtown. While I wait for the moisturizer to absorb, I'm gonna eat the pandan cake from yesterday. And it's not so much fun. The pandan cake is really good. The pandan flavor is very strong. And then there's even mango bits, like mango slices that go across. Ooh, look how jiggly it is. I really like the very bottom. It's like a little cookie crust.
I had to do it too.
Thank you. Favorite scent so far. There's so much food and snacks here. Wow.
Because I had to go to Daan Go.
You know,
My fingers cramping up. There we go, you got it.
that's my job. You just learned it in a day? No, I learned it last night.
That's so pretty, like a flower. Wait, so that's this really cute case for it. Oh, so heavy.
Pastry.
I'm at the cafe right now, about to try some of their pastries. Look at all.
Martin, there's somebody behind you.
Sorry.
French flan with vanilla custard.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is really pretty. These are the desserts and pastries I got. There are a lot of things I haven't tried before, like the croissant, this, a few of these, and the macarons. Oh my gosh, so good. This is the strawberry. I don't remember what it's called. Not my favorite. I'm gonna try next one. Let's go with the lemon. Look how cute. It looks very realistic. This is the inside of the lemon cake. Oh, the cream is so good. The leaf is so fuzzy. It's beautiful. This is a work of art. one has real orange bits in there. A quarter of a slice here. That's the inside. There's a lot of cream. It's a spoonful of cream. I think there's orange peel in here too. This one you have to get if you come here. Next up, we've got the blueberry and strawberry macarons. I'm so excited. It's delicious. I'm gonna try the strawberry macaron. It's a little bit gummy and it's filled with cream. Look how thick it is. The strawberry macaron is the best one. I think there's strawberry jam in this. Right there. This side is so pretty. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. So it's a very heavy mango cake. I still like this one. This one reminds me of blueberry yogurt. I just love how it looks under the sun. We're gonna go to the store that sells a lot of cute stuff. A lot of random stuff actually. But then lately we've been finding a lot of cute stuff as well. I just walked out with 2 Rilakkuma soup mugs. So excited to unbox them later. The first one is this really pretty light brown color. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. And then the second one is the same, except it's this really nice pearl white color. Looks pearly white in person. So this one looks like the bowl that I already have. So these ones are called soup mugs. This one is the bowl. And now it's a set. So cute. All right, thank you so much for making it this far. Please like and subscribe, and then I'll catch you in the next vlog. Bye.